Friends, you would have heard many Vedic astrologers using this term called as the Pap Katri Yoga. If you will translate that in English, it simply means Pap means sin and Kartri means like a scissor which is cutting it through. So that generally happens that in Vedic astrology, there are like certain planets which are considered as very cruel, very malefic, like Mars, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and slightly planet Sun as well. So generally what has been seen in the research, if these malefic planets are going to be placed in the either side of any house, so they are like trying to cut it like a scissor, all the good signification of that house. It's just like that, imagine I'm sitting over here and on my left and on my right, they are like goons or like people with very strong bullying nature, dominating nature are sitting over there. Obviously, I am going to be intimidated. So now comes the question that what if this Pap Katri Yoga is being formed by your important planets? For example, if you are a Libra Lagna, now we know this thing that Saturn is a good planet for you. Or if you are a Aries Lagna, Mars becomes your ascendant lord. So then in those kind of situation, will the Pap Katri Yoga be effective? So guys, Pap Katri Yoga will still have its impact, its effect. The only difference is going to be that, for example, for a Aries Lagna, if the Pap Katri Yoga is being formed with Mars being your ascendant lord for a Aries Lagna in the 9th and Saturn being in the 11th, they both are very well placed. Now the question is that you by yourself, your idealism might come in the way. When we talk about for the Libra Lagna natives, now we know this thing that for the Libra Lagna natives, like Saturn has got a rulership over your like 4th house and your 5th house. And now let's say for example, if Saturn is going to be forming a Pap Katri Yoga in, let's say for example, for your 7th house, like being placed in the 6th, and another planet like Rahu or Mars is going to be placed in the 8th house. So your own idealism, your own sense of perfectionism might come in the way and will create a problems in the marriage. But the Pap Katri Yoga, even if it is getting formed by the good planet of yours, which turned out to be malefic, will still have its impact.